Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to backup or to export your Outlook files, emails, inbox, whatever. So in case you want to wipe up your PC, or you want to install a new operating system, or you want to install a new Office, maybe a newer version or old version, whatever you want to, this is the place to go. You come to your Outlook. You can see now I got this because the one I'm using giving me some issues. So I got this with product keys and all that. So I think I better come to use that. That's why I'm gonna do this. But anyway, I need my emails. I need my sent emails and all that, received emails and all that. So what you do, you click on file here. Then you click on open, export and export. Then you click on export stroke import. So it's gonna pop up something like this. What do you need here? I say export rs whatever. Import, no, we're not importing. Export to file. This is something we're looking for. You say yes. After doing that, then you say next. After doing next, you say pst.pst. This is what Outlook is going to understand. You click next. All these you say plus subfolders, because we include subfolders. But if you don't want them, then you're going to untick this. Then you select what you want. But in this case, we're going to do this. Next, and say replace, duplicate with whatever. So here we want to go and browse somewhere we want to put this file. Where do you want to put this file? We believe that saving this file in a folder where we're going to remember going to be very good. So we're going to put it in Zoom, but then we as well going to give it, no, let me put it, scan the documents, I think. Yeah, because there's nothing like this. You can see backup at PST. Then after that, I'm going to say okay. After doing okay, say finish. Then ask you for the password. We don't want a password. We say okay. So it's gonna start dumping files. What it's doing now, it started with importing, exporting the inbox. So the emails which you received, right? In your inbox, you can see this is your inbox there. Okay, let's give it some time. If the files are many, it's going to depend on how faster is your computer. Get some stuff here. You see it finished, then it went to sent files. I'm sorry I missed that. Then I'm gonna put my thing here, my phone here. Then I'm sorry, I want to put it on this try stuff for recording. Sorry about that, but anyway, most of the steps are done. But still, I want you to see how it goes. It jumps one by one, one by one. It's one by one. Okay. That's what happened now. After that, it's going to show you something else. Remember, we have sent, we have draft, we have trash, we have spam, we have outbox, we have RSS feed, we understand all that. Sent emails are many. Told you it's going to depend how fast is your computer. But in most cases, sent emails and received emails are the most important things. But to you, what is important between sent and received? To me, it would be received. To you, I don't know. You can see we are done 100%. So nothing we can do now. From now, we know where our file is, where we saved our file. So we do go to, we can go down here and click on this folder. Once the folder is open, we're gonna go and say, did we save it on pictures? We saved on what? Documents. And where did we save that? Safety documents, scanned. Yeah, scanned documents. Okay. You can see in scanned documents, we have a file called backup.pst. That backup.pst is the one we're going to use if we do install a new Outlook or Office. Yeah, Microsoft Word or whatever. We're gonna install Microsoft Office. So that backup file, we're gonna do the same thing to import. So once we import that, then all our emails gonna come back to our stuff, because sometimes you can find your Outlook is outdated or it's corrupted. So since it's corrupted, we don't need to have some issues with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If this helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.